Okay, we're back. And we put in the spring rolls. And we are cooking it. We are cooking. We got prime, boys. We got prime. We are witnessing an expert at work. Shrimp. We are going to eat all of this shrimp. What is that, if I ask?
Sales.
Shell?
Yes, sales.
Oh, seashell. She sells seashells by the seashore. Susie sells seashells by the seashore. Yeah, this is a tongue twister. It's cooking. We are cooking. We got pride, boy. We got pride. I'm happy. I'm feeling good, good sunshine. In a bag, I'm useless, but not for the future. It's coming on. Happy. I'm happy. Feeling good. Sunshine. Oh, baby, come on, please. Move from the future. Megtörtént a kisfiam. I'm happy. Okay, good. Also, can someone tell me what the spring roll contains? I don't know. Can you tell me what is in the spring roll?
Spring roll. Inside have some vegetable and some meat or some.
But what kind of meat? What kind of meat? Fish or chicken or
I don't think it's fish. I think
chicken, shrimp, what?
maybe chicken.
Chicken. Okay. So it's like a little snack that you eat, that you take it out, that you grab. Nom nom nom. That was pretty good. And chicken and vegetable, it was amazing. So is it like that?
Yeah.
Okay. And what does the shrimp contain? What is the shrimp made of? Is the shrimp made of shrimp? But is the shrimp made of... What is it made of? But what is it made of? The shrimp is made of shrimp. Okay. Oh, is it ready to eat?
Yeah.
Oh, did it cool down already? No. Oh, yes? No. We have to wait.
Wait. This.
I'm happy. I think it's already cooked, but no.
Yeah.
Papa. I'm going to cook papaya. Make papaya. I'm going to 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 make papaya. What happened? Is it good already?
No.
I'm happy. Feeling glad, good sunshine. You didn't see anything. Oh. Oh. This plastic was in my mouth for 3 years. How hot is it? How hot is it? How hot?
How hot? I think not so hot. You
Not
can
so hot.
taste.
Are you sure that I can
Yeah.
hold it here?
That
Okay. Ow! The knife poked me, but we have this. So we're going to eat it. Plastic out of my mouth. Put it over here.
Instead,
Very good. Very good. Approved.
I think you can start.
Oh. The video